When a student leaves your district, their course section assignments are automatically dropped. And to get a transcript for a student who's left your district, you will need to include dropped courses on the R702 submission screen. So I have Tyler in context. He is withdrawn. If I go to his course section assignments page and say dropped, all of those courses that he used to be in show up with his last day of school as the drop date. For the R702, type R702 in the go-to or the cheater, pick your appropriate transcript format, and I ran Tyler's transcript earlier, and I'm going to pull it up and show you that it does not have any 22, 23 courses on it, and that's because I did not say dropped. It is also not printing the GPA set, even though I selected that. So let's go to the R702 submission screen. This is the important one. Include dropped courses must be marked as yes for students who left your district and you need to get an R702 for them. So in this section, I have the CUME GPA selected for this current school year. And you need to make sure that your GPA set is marked to include inactive students. Because when a student leaves your district, they are made inactive status. So if I type GPA set and I want to pencil this GPA and go to the last tab and include inactives must be marked, and I need to save, then I need to recalculate that and wait for it to finish on my management screen. We do not recommend recalculating the GPA set off the R702 or R700 submission screen. It will make things go 3 times as long. So now that that GPA is recalculated, I can actually go to the GPA HIS. So if you type GPA HIS, now this student, so I have Tyler in context, he's getting a GPA, and now that GPA is going to print on the R702. So in case you weren't aware, this GPA history page will show you every GPA ever calculated for this student in the whole entire district. So it's going all the way back to the middle school. And each one of these is a hyperlink, and it will bring you to the GPA set calculation and how it arrived at that calc and what courses it used. So if we go back here to the R702, and I have my CUME GPA marked, I have include drops marked. Now I can submit this, and here's a helpful hint. When you use this description down here, it's available, what you type in here is available on your management screen. So if I say include drops for Tyler, now when I hit submit, when I send this to my management screen and I open my management screen, that little helpful hint is right there. So when you've recalculated 10, or when you've run 10 R702s in one day and you can't remember which one's which, this little job description will help you out. And again, only you can see that. So now I have ran that R702. Let's take a look. I should have 22, 23 courses printing for Tyler. There I do. And I also now get his GPA.